Hey guys, Elite Sports Card Sales here, and we're back with another video. I wanted to do a series. I was going to open a pack a day, and just to see what was in this TOPPS Chrome, new product. I'm excited for the rookies, Jackson Dart, Cam Ward. Let's get into it. I believe it's 4 cards a pack, 7 packs per box. One pack. All right, guys, here we go. See, we got a little bit of color in there. Okay, we got Cameron Dicker, the kicker for the San Diego Chargers. We got Vita Vea for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. We got a Jamar Chase refractor. It's nice. And we got a Jaden Higgins rookie refractor. Super nice. Alright, thank you guys. I appreciate you. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.